Alright, here we've got a Woods D80. It's made a little different. It's a little deeper deck. I believe this is a rotary mower. It's got bush hog type blades on it, but it is 80 inch. So, touch less than 7 foot. It is a 540 PTO. It is pull type. It does have the cylinder on it. Dual wheels out the back. Very, very nice deck. I mean, it's very, very clean. We just got it in, and as far as I know, mechanically it should be okay. I don't know of any issues. And it does have a chain kit in the front, so the stuff stays in. It doesn't fling everywhere, and in the back. And it has a skid plate on the side where you can take a skid plate off. Now, very nice on the deck. It's got one little place right here on this guard that has a split, okay? On this left side, it's gotten into something over here on the left side, just slightly. And then, looks okay over here. It does have a non-factory weld where that one is. Must be a little weak point on it because that's what's taking all the blunt. So there is a non-factory weld right there. You are going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.